welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you a recipe that I have used for years and years. Sorry I look so crazy. I just got done doing fasted cardio. It is Sunday morning, so I just woke up and got to it. But I wanted to make some protein waffles this morning. And this is a recipe that I have had ever since I started bodybuilding and forget about it sometimes. And then I'm craving something super sweet for breakfast. I want like French toast or pancakes or something good, but I can't have them right now because I'm in prep. So this is a great alternative. It is protein waffles and super low carb. My secret weapon here is the Quest protein powder baking mix. So 1 scoop of this is 100 calories, no sugar, and only 1 gram of carb and no fat. So really you're only adding 100 calories into your meal. So if you're in prep like me, you just kind of juggle calories a little bit. So I'm just using 1 scoop of this and knowing that this is 100 calories. So I'm just adding this into my calorie content for my meal. And it fits perfectly. So then I'm taking a scoop of my isolated whey protein powder. I use isolated just because I have a dairy allergy, so I have to. I can't use regular whey protein. So I do 1 scoop of each of these. Then I'm grabbing 2 packets of stevia and adding that in because I like mine a little bit on the sweeter side. And the other secret weapon here is baking powder. So this is what's gonna fluff them up for you. You want this because you want your waffle to rise. And with this baking mix, it's not going to unless you put this in. So I just do 1 teaspoon evenly, put that in there. Then I like to add cinnamon to mine, so I'm gonna add a vigorous amount of cinnamon. Then I also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You don't have to use this, I choose to. I like the way it makes it taste. So once that, and then I add 3 tablespoons of egg whites. That's in there. Then you're gonna add water. I add water. You can add almond milk if you want it to be a little bit more on the milky side. But I just use water because I'm really trying to watch my calorie content, and less is more in this case. So water will do me just fine. Just be careful when you're mixing this because it'll splash all over the place. And I just do little bits of water at a time until I can get it mixed up really well, making sure that all the powder is mixed in. And it does expand because of the baking powder, so just know that. It's gonna get kind of fluffy. My voice is super deep in the mornings, so apologies to that. So you're just gonna make sure that this is really good and mixed, that it's not too thick. So you're just gonna kind of keep adding water as you will. That's about good enough. Then I'm gonna take some avocado oil spray cap on and just spray my waffle iron so it doesn't stick. Spray the top, spray the bottom. Then I'm going to take half of this and plop it in here. You don't want the full amount because it will expand in here, and you don't want to make this too full. So I just put half the amount in here. Let me show you. And then we're going to close the lid and let it do its job. So this one tells me when it's ready. It's gonna say ready, and then it'll tell me when I can open it. So just put that in there. And then I usually use sugar-free syrup. it's low sugar, low calorie. It's only 10 calories. So that's what I use for that. And you can also, if you're allowed to have it, I add a couple tablespoons of peanut butter. And that's how I eat my waffles. So we'll wait until this is ready to be opened, and then I can show you guys what it looks like when it's finished. So tick, 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 tick. You don't want to open it before because it'll get stuck to the waffle maker. And I just put it on medium to high, not super high, but not low either. And my spatula, so I can get it off of here. And you guys, this is just the best. Look at this. Now tell me that does not look like a waffle. Hello. There you go. Tip for the day. Protein waffles. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I've got for you right now. We're going to finish making my waffles, and I'm going to go chow down because after this, then I got to go to the gym again. So it never ends. My best friend texts me. She wants me to join her today. So I'm going to join her for a workout, and we'll see if I record some maybe. Love you guys so much, and thank you for staying tuned. I just wanted to film this little short hack and give you the info. So love you guys.